Today we are going to see the fifth type of reaction, that is redox reaction. Redox reaction. If you see, the word itself is having two words. Red means reduction. Ox means oxidation. Ox stands for oxidation. So, redox reaction means it is oxidation and reduction reaction. So, let us see first oxidation reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. So, oxidation reaction is a reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. Let me give you an example for this oxidation reaction. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So here, if you see, with magnesium, oxygen is added. Magnesium is converted to magnesium oxide. So, with magnesium, oxygen is added. Therefore, this reaction is oxidation reaction. Similarly, another example. CH4 methane burns in oxygen. You have seen this reaction also in the exothermic reaction. Methane burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. Here you look, balancing you do it by yourself. Now you look here. Methane, in methane carbon and hydrogen is there. In this the hydrogen is removed and oxygen is added with carbon. Therefore, this reaction is oxidation reaction. So what is oxidation reaction? The reaction in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. Is it clear for you? Now, in oxidation, I want to tell you one important term, oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. What do you mean by oxidizing agent? Just like ticket agent who gives you the ticket. The same here, oxidizing agent means the substance which gives oxygen or removes hydrogen is called as oxidizing agent. The substance that gives oxygen or removes hydrogen is called as oxidizing agent. Here in this reaction, let us see. For magnesium, changing to magnesium oxide, from where it gets its oxygen? From this oxygen only. Therefore, in the first reaction, which is the oxidizing agent? Oxygen. Which is the oxidizing agent in the first reaction? Oxygen. Now, let us see the second reaction. Here, for methane, converting it into carbon dioxide, this is an oxidation reaction. For this methane, from where it gets its oxygen? From oxygen only. Therefore, otherwise you can frame like this. Methane is converted to carbon dioxide. Who helped methane to add oxygen and remove hydrogen? This substance. Therefore, here oxidizing agent is oxygen. In both the cases, the oxidizing agent is oxygen. It is not necessary you will have always oxygen only oxidizing agent. You can have another substance also. Let us say this example. Copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus water. With hydrogen what is added? Oxygen. Therefore, this is oxidation reaction. With hydrogen, oxygen is added. So, addition of oxygen is oxidation reaction. So, for this hydrogen, from where it gets its oxygen? From copper oxide. Therefore, here oxidizing agent is copper oxide. What is the oxidizing agent here? Oxidizing agent here is copper oxide. Is it clear now? So, we have seen what is oxidation reaction and what is the oxidizing agent. Similarly, let us pass on to the next reaction, that is reduction reaction. Just opposite of oxidation reaction is reduction reaction. What do you mean by reduction reaction? Addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. If oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added, then it is called reduction reaction. Let us take this example. PbO, lead oxide, plus carbon gives lead plus carbon monoxide. Look here. Here lead oxide, oxygen is there. This lead oxide is converted to lead. Here from lead oxide, oxygen is removed. Removal of oxygen is reduction. So this reaction is reduction. So this is an example for reduction reaction. Now another example, CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Here also from copper oxide, oxygen is removed and forms copper. Therefore, this reaction is an reduction reaction. Now, another term just like oxidizing agent, here also you have to see another one, the term reducing agent. What is reducing agent? The substance that gives oxygen or removes the substance that gives hydrogen or removes oxygen is called reducing agent. The substance that gives hydrogen or removes oxygen is called reducing agent. Here, what is the reducing agent in the first case? Lead oxide is converted to lead. This is reduction. Who is reducing this? Who is removing oxygen from this? Carbon. So, the reducing agent in the first reaction is carbon. And in the second case, copper oxide is converted to copper. Who is the reducing agent? Hydrogen. So, in the second reaction, reducing agent is hydrogen. So, this is reduction reaction. Now, by this time, I hope you are clear with oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. What is redox reaction means? If oxidation and reduction both takes place together. If oxidation and reduction both takes place together, then it is called as redox reaction. Let me give an example for this. CuO, let me take the same example. Copper oxide plus hydrogen gives copper plus water. The color of copper oxide is black. The color of copper is shiny brown. Here, what is happening here? Copper oxide is converted to copper. Therefore, this is oxygen is removed here. Therefore, this is reduction. And here, hydrogen is converted to water. This one is oxidation. In this reaction, both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously or together. Therefore, this reaction is called as redox reaction. Red for reduction, ox for oxidation reaction. Shall I give you another example? Magnesium oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives manganese oxide, not manganese oxide, manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives manganese chloride, chlorine and water. Here you are having three products, no need to worry about the products. Just look into the equation carefully. Manganese oxide is here, oxygen is here. In this, in manganese chloride, oxygen is removed. Therefore, this one is oxygen, removal of oxygen is reduction. Now look at the next one, hydrochloric acid. In hydrochloric acid, you can go for either water or for chlorine. Suppose if you go for water, let us see. What is happening here? How many hydrogen? One, but here two hydrogen. Hydrogen is added. Here no oxygen, here it is one oxygen. Both hydrogen and oxygen are added here. So you cannot take this one. You cannot take the conversion of hydrochloric acid to water because here hydrogen is also added, oxygen is also added. So you can have hydrochloric acid is converted to chlorine. Here hydrogen is removed and chlorine is formed. Therefore this is removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Therefore, this reaction is another example for redox reaction for balancing just this. Okay. So, you have marked your oxidation and reduction reaction. Now, let us see the main things. What is the oxidizing agent and reducing agent in the first reaction? Oxidizing agent, reducing agent in the first reaction. Let us find it out. This is the oxidation reaction you have marked. Who is responsible? Who is making this oxidation reaction to carry on? This copper oxide. So, copper oxide is the oxidizing agent. This oxidation reaction is taking place because of this copper oxide. From copper oxide only hydrogen gets oxygen, and that's why it is converted to water. Therefore, this copper oxide is the oxidizing agent. Now let us see the reducing agent. Copper oxide converted to copper. Who removes this oxygen from copper oxide? This hydrogen. Therefore, hydrogen is the reducing agent. Is it clear now? Oxidizing agent is copper oxide. Reducing agent is hydrogen. Now I am going to tell you two more terms. The substance oxidized and the substance reduced. Listen here carefully. In this reactant, which substance is oxidized? Oxidized means oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed. Out of these two reactants, here with hydrogen only, water is added, oxygen is added. Therefore, hydrogen is the substance oxidized. The substance oxidized is hydrogen. And the substance reduced, from which oxygen is removed or hydrogen is added. Here oxygen is removed from copper oxide. Therefore, copper oxide is reduced. Otherwise, you can simply sum up like this. The oxidizing agent gets reduced and the reducing agent gets oxidized. Have you got it? The same way, let us find it for this also. Oxidizing agent. What is the oxidizing agent here? From where the oxygen is got? This is the oxidation reaction. From this only it gets. Therefore, MnO2 is the oxidizing agent. The reducing agent. What is the reducing agent? This is the reduction reaction. And reducing agent is HCl. Now tell me the substance oxidized. You can look here itself and see. The substance oxidized is which one is oxidized? HCl. Reducing agent gets oxidized. The substance reduced, which is the oxidizing agent? MnO2. This one is reduced. So, you have understood what is redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, and after noting the oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, you should be able to find out oxidizing agent, reducing agent, the substance oxidized, the substance reduced. I am giving you 2-3 equations and you try to find oxidizing agent, reducing agent, the substance oxidized and the substance reduced from these reactions. And balancing part also you do by yourself. Methane gas plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. Lead oxide plus carbon gives lead plus carbon monoxide. Ferric oxide plus aluminium gives aluminium oxide plus iron. These 3 equations you have to find oxidation and reduction, as well as you have to find oxidizing agent, reducing agent, the substance oxidized and the substance reduced. These 4 also you have to do and check the answers. Okay children, that's all about oxidation and reduction reaction. Do the work. Bye.